Lane 1, Sarah Puckett. Lane 2, Allie Horton. Lane 3, Jess Gurian. Lane 4, Madeline Christman. Lane 5, Miranda Graham. Lane 6, Emma Harvey. Lane 7, AJ Peters. Lane 8, Paige Hall. Lane 9, Annie Bell. Miranda Graham, sophomore, providing you with the lead at the halfway point. 25-03.
Yeah, Emma!
Graham 5, Harvey 86. Good number 1 by Graham.